Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you Perspective Grid Tool and Perspective Selection Tool in Adobe Illustrator. First we'll learn Perspective Grid Tool. So in order to learn Perspective Grid Tool, what I do, first I will come in Toolbox and I will click on Perspective Grid Tool and I will get something like this, getting me? So this is Perspective Grid Tool. So what is the work and why are we using Perspective Grid Tool? Let's see. For example, if I have an object and for example or left right, okay, so for example if I want like this, as you can see now it is coming according to this grid. Okay, this object is coming according to this grid. For example, if I want something here, and for example if I want something here, getting me? So with the help of Perspective Grid Tool we can do something like this, getting me? For example, if as you know that we have the facility of 3D. We have the facility 3D in you can say in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so the same like here. For example, if you want to if you want to create something like 3D. Okay, for example, if you are making a house, for example, and you want to show the roof, you want to show the walls, everything. So definitely with the help of Perspective Grid Tool you can easily do. Getting me? So what I do, I will zoom in little bit so that you can see getting me? So for example, if you want to put something on the left side, right side, so you will use this. Okay, so for example if I want to if I want to work on, you can say horizontal, you can say left right, it's showing left right. For example, if now I want to work on right side, so I will click on right, and as you can see the now showing right. Okay, and now if I click and drag my you can say rectangle there, so definitely as you can see that now the rectangle is coming at the right side, getting me? So for example, if I want to work on the left side, so what I do, I will just simply click and drag, and as you can see that this rectangle is coming at the left side. And if I want to you can say work on horizontal, so definitely horizontal it will come in, as you can see that now it is coming horizontal, getting me? If I want to work on the left side, right side, so definitely with the help of this we can tell him that where do we want to work. Okay, okay, then what do we have next? Definitely here we have the grid Perspective Grid Tool. And then what do we have? We have Perspective Selection Tool. What is the work of Perspective Selection Tool? Let's see. As you can see that here we have perspective. Let's suppose if I want to change you can say the style of this, so how can I change? With the help of Perspective Selection Tool. For example, as you can see they're now showing me this getting me? So if I take a Perspective Selection Tool, as you can see they're now showing me this. So with the help of this I can change the, you can say, the position of this. Okay, perspective. For example, if I want to keep my this perspective here, they are getting me? And if I zoom out little bit, so this, okay, and now as you can see that now I'm changing the perspective, getting me? For example, if I want to keep my left perspective here or right perspective here, and if I want to change, okay, getting me? So with the help of this Perspective Selection Tool I can change, I can work on Perspective Grid Tool, getting me? So this is the work of Perspective Selection Tool. If you want to get more options, so definitely we need to go view Perspective Grid Tool, and here we have the options of perspective. If I click on perspective, if I click on define grid, so I will get all the options in one. So I will click on define grid. As you can see that it's showing me all the options. The first is preset. For example, as you can see that now I have this. Okay, I have changed the style of this grid. For example, if I want to if I want to save this style for future, so what I do, I will just simply click on this and asking that name, asking name, and I will give the name. If I say okay, so I will get my perspective, getting me? So let's suppose if you want to save this perspective style, so definitely with the help of this you can save. Then here we have type. Here we have 1-point perspective, 2-point perspective, and 3-point perspective. Whatever you are seeing right now, this is 2-point perspective. If you want to see 1-point perspective, so you need to click on 1-point perspective and then I click on OK, and you will get something like this, getting me? If I zoom in a little bit, you can see that now the perspective is coming here. Okay, and this is 1-point perspective. I will go again in view, and in this time I will say, because we have seen a 2-point perspective, so definitely I will click on 3-point perspective, and if I say okay, and if I zoom out little bit, as you can see, they now showing me 3-point perspective, getting me? So here we have 3 types: the first point perspectives, 2-point perspective and 3-point perspective. Getting me? I will go again and I will click on define grid, and definitely here you have to ask the unit of measurement. Okay, so okay, here we have pixels, inches, centimeters. So definitely if you want to work on points, so click on points. If you want to work on pixels, definitely you can work on pixel as well. Getting me? So your unit of measurement. Okay, in here unit of measurement. Then here we have the scale, and here we have grid line every, means the size. If I zoom a little bit, so as you can see the box, as you can see the box, so definitely with the help of this I can change the size of this box. How? See, I will click on view and I will go in perspective grid, and I will go and click on define grid, and here we have 30, I will set 10, and if I say okay, so as you can see that the size of this box has been changed. Getting me? So with the help of this I can change the size of the boxes. So I will go again, and this time we say 40 or 50, it will be fine. If I say 50, as you can see that the size. Getting me? The size of every box. I will go again and I will go on define grid, and definitely here we have the angle. Let's suppose if you want to change the angle, you can change the angle. You can also change the distance as well. Okay, and definitely horizontal height also. Last, what do we have? We have the color. We have the color. If I zoom out little bit, so as you can see that here we have the color, means at the left side we have blue color, at the right side we have red color, and definitely. So with the help of define grid options, here we have the option, means grid color and opacity. So let's suppose here, as you can see that here is showing the left side blue color, right side red color something, and definitely. So let's suppose if you want to change the color of left side, right side, so you need to just simply click on this and choose the color. If I say black color, and if I say okay, okay, so as you can see that the color of this the left side, the color of this side has been changed. Getting me? So with the help of this we can change the color, and we can also change the opacity. Let's suppose if I change the opacity 100, so that it will be more visible. Getting me? If we change the opacity, so that it becomes more visible. Getting me? And if last, if you want to delete, if you don't want this perspective anymore, so just go and click on Perpective Grid Tool, and here click on hide grid. Just click on it and definitely it will be removed. Getting me? So this was a lecture on Perpective Grid Tool in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.